Right guys, Phil here from ZaltekReviews.com. Quick video for you today, an unboxing. Now, as reviewers go, I'm the world's worst at doing unboxing videos because I'm like a kid on Christmas morning. Any watch that arrives, doesn't matter whether it's a prototype, a review sample or something that I bought myself, I just burst right into it because I want to see it. Right, well, this just arrived and I thought, come on, get a grip of yourself, do an unboxing video. So all I've done is took the DHL packaging off and put the box on my desk. As you can tell by the logo, it is from Secondary Watches. It's not a review. I've got this, I actually bought this from Peter at Secondary Watches because I'm doing a video later on, and this is going to, it's no review, this is going to feature in the review, but I'm not going to go into any more detail about that just now. This is just an unboxing video. Right, so let's get into it then. Open it up, and this is, I've not opened it. As I say, this only arrived about 20 minutes ago. Thank you card, thank you for your purchase, blah blah blah. No interested in that. Take this out of this. Oh, come on. Right. Right, I'll put that there then out, get rid of this. Get rid of that. Right, this is what we want to see. Right, aye. Nice packaging. Kinda, I don't know if it's real leather or no. Anyway, it's just going to end up in my drawer anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Right then, what do we get? A screwdriver. Very good. I'll need that. Oh, I don't need it, but I'll use it. That's probably a strap changing tool and a warranty card. Let's see if it's filled in. Oh, it is. You can see there what it is. A Mandala Mark II. Shipping date 28th of Feb. Right. Oh, cool. What's the length of the warranty again? 2 years. Perfect. Lovely. And there we have the watch. I actually reviewed this in 2020. The first version, and it was a pre-production prototype, and I was so blown away by it that it was my watch of the year in 2020, and it's remained on my elite list ever since then. Fantastic watch. Right, I'm just, oh, I mean, that's fucking stunning, man. Right, I've got the blue one with date, obviously. It's gorgeous. I'm not going to bother taking all the plastic off the now. I'll do that when I finish the video. It's just to let you see it, what you get inside the box. Very happy. But just before I go, let's zoom in. Put that there. In fact, I'll take the plastic off the dial, because the dial was the star of the show. Right, let's see how difficult it is to get into this. Oh, come on, you friggin' bastard. Oh, there we go. Oh, hang on. There we go. I took the plastic off the dial anyway. Stunning. Love it. Right, just a quick video as I said. Please like, share, subscribe, you know the usual shizzle. I'll see you in the next video. Oh, I've got another review of secondary watches coming soon. The Saddleback Field Watch. That's coming soon. Right, I'll see you in the next video. Toodles.